Now, breaking news update for you. The power is back on this morning at Atlanta's airport, but for 11 hours yesterday, the nation's busiest airport was brought to a standstill. Take a look. Thousands of passengers stranded in terminals that were completely dark. Many more stuck on more than 100 planes that had arrived in Atlanta, but then were just stuck on the tarmac. It appears that a fire in an electrical station knocked out the airport's power and also damaged the backup system. Now, this morning, the lights are back on, but that outage, which went on for so long at such a busy airport, causing problems all over the country that could last for days. Hundreds of flights have been canceled or delayed, with more that could still be affected, including many here at BWI. That's where we find ABC 2's Chanel Pearman this morning. Chanel, how's it looking out there at BWI this morning?
Christian, BWI Airport is still experiencing some delays and cancellations. If you take a look at this monitor here, you can see there have been 2 canceled flights heading to Atlanta this morning, and there's also one that's been delayed. But the good news is that some of these flights are leaving on time this morning, so airlines are trying to get things back to normal, but this ripple effect could last several days. There are 3 major airlines that fly between BWI Airport and Atlanta. That's Delta, Southwest, and Spirit Airlines, and all 3 of them have been impacted by this power outage. Several travelers were stuck here at BWI Airport, including one woman from Nashville. She had a connecting flight in Atlanta. Now, she was supposed to be at work at 4 o'clock this morning, and as you can imagine, she became one of the many passengers dealing with this headache and having to make other plans.
It's terrible. We just have to get connecting flights to other cities and then into Nashville. So I'm just waiting to see if I can get on another flight into another city and then into Nashville.
If you are flying at a BWI airport, you're definitely going to want to check in with your individual airline. Christian, people can look at our website, abc2news.com. We will keep it updated with information.
Okay, Chanel, thanks. Yeah, busy travel week. Thanks very much for that.